Hey YouTube, we're gonna just kind of a short lesson on how to play this Viagra voice song upside backwards. Really, the part I'm playing, I just played there, is really that's what the bass is playing that. But this is I'm just gonna show you how to play it on guitar. It's in B. Okay, so you could do this. A hammer-on move, or you could just do a slide up. But we're playing a power chord in either case on the 7th and 9th fret. 7 on the low E, 9 on the A string. Okay, and if you want to slide into it, you can just slide from 6 and 8. Then it goes up to C, just real briefly, before it goes down to G. And you don't have to change your hand position. Plus, you're gonna get the sliding sound in there. It sounds good. For the first one, you could come from the G. B, B, C, 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 G, 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 G. All right, that's the whole song. It's kind of like what we would call a vamp. It's just got that little riff there, and that's being played the whole song. One interesting thing they do on the keyboards, and I noticed they do this in other songs, is they play a different chord progression on the top. Okay, one interesting thing they do is they kind of, sometimes the keyboard plays a chromatic chord progression over the top of the other one. So while the bass is playing, the keyboards are going. This is B. This is A. B. A. G. This is F sharp. So that's just kind of a thing they do. I've noticed in other songs, the guitar or the bass will be playing one progression, and then other instruments will be playing a different progression right at the same time. All right, but mostly it's B, B, C, G. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.